Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're replacing the stock air filter in the WRX. I have a green filter here. It's a high flow oiled air filter, and I currently have a K&N filter in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in the trash and replace it with some money green. So if you're interested in seeing what that looks like and the differences between them, stay tuned. So as you saw, I'm gonna put the green filter in there today. It's a real simple, easy job to do. Probably take no more than 5 minutes. Part number I have is 2421. Now the reason I'm switching them out is just pretty much, I have about 17,000 miles and I haven't switched out the air filter. Normally I would just clean it, yes, because these are good for a long time, but I don't want to support K&N pretty much in their stuff, so I'm gonna switch it over to green filter. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy out of here. So you're just gonna pull these two tabs back. Really easy. And also if you have the stock one in here, the OEM filter, it's the exact same way. And you're just gonna wedge this back a little bit and you're gonna notice the filter is in there facing this way, the thick side, and you're just gonna go ahead and just pull it out. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at all the crap in there. I don't think I've actually seen one this bad, to be honest with you guys. This is insanely dirty. I mean, it does work, because look at that on the other side, super clean, but you could tell this definitely needs to be changed. I cannot believe how dirty this thing is for only being in there for maybe a year and a half. Oh my god, look at this thing. It's taken multiple bugs' lives. Let's check this out. Oh shit. Wow. Let's go over the differences. Let's see, we got the K&N and we got the green. First, make sure you got the right filter. You know, obviously the sizes are the same, so it's gonna fit no problem. Let's look at the height differences. So the green filter looks definitely thicker, which is fine with me because it looks like I'm gonna need as much filtration as possible. And let's go over kind of how the ribs look as far as the steel or the mesh that they use. So what's cool about the green filter is they actually color the mesh. They feel about the same, I want to say, width and stuff. The green filter actually looks a little bit bigger, like the squares look a little bit bigger. And the K&N seems to have more of the coating on this side and that side, kind of like the rubber that actually went onto the actual thing, but that might be bad because it might reduce flow. I'm not too sure. But the green filter does look really nice and real thorough and even on all sides. So I don't know. Well, hopefully this does work out really good because that K&N looks beat to heck. I mean, it is reusable, but I mean, what do you think, guys? Would you even reuse this, or would you just switch it out to this one? This is so pretty, so money. Let's go ahead and pop it in and start her up and check out that high flow. Okay, now I'm not too sure because if it's a little bit thicker, the K&N and the stock one definitely close a little bit better right here, so I'm gonna try to reconfigure it, but you can see, if you can see, it just doesn't want to let it sit quite flush where these notches are at. If I can get enough light to go in there, there you go. To kind of set flush in there, so I'm gonna finagle with it a little bit more. I'm not too worried about it because I can see inside that it is pressing up against all the plastic. So I'm sure it's sealed, but I would definitely want to try to close that as much as possible. So let's work with it here right now. So after messing with it for a few minutes, I did double check everything. The hinges on the bottom are in place, and it's just an even spread all the way down of just because of the thickness of the filter. So there are no gaps, essentially like letting any loose, how do I want to put it, like just regular, I don't even know how to say it, like non-filtered air through there. It's just, it will not close because of that thickness of it. It sets in there and then it's really thick behind there. So we're gonna hope the benefit is a little bit more power for this kind of little fitment kind of issue. I'm not calling it a big issue because it's not that big of a deal to me, but it just, I guess if you do want that OEM fitment, then you're gonna need the K&N, which is, as we saw earlier, is a little bit thinner, so I'm sure that the OEM one is also thin. So let's go ahead and start it up and see how this one sounds and flows. That's the green filter. Hope it helped you guys. If you have a WRX, we're gonna find out how good this is. I'll give a review maybe after 1,000 miles or so, and see if it does the job that the K&N did. As far as blocking the material, I can say it did a pretty good job. Just I just don't want to use K&N anymore. So let's try the green one out. Smash that thumbs up button, it really helped. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.